everybody, this is Brendan Strange here. Right behind me here is a geared locomotive. This is the last steam engine I'm seeing on my big trip. Now at first glance you may think this is a Shay locomotive, but this is not a Shay, and I'll explain why in a little bit. This is in a museum in Missoula, Montana. Hope you enjoy. This is not a Shay. This is called a Willamette type geared engine. These locomotives were built by the Willamette Iron and Steel Company in Portland, Oregon. Now I'm pretty sure all of you are wondering, well, Brendan, why is it not a Shay? It looks exactly like it. Well, like when I explained in my Shay review, the Shay locomotive has 3 cylinders. One is facing the right direction, while the other, or should I say the first 2 facing the right direction, while the last one facing the left direction. With the Willamette, all 3 of these cylinders are faced in the same direction. To show you what I mean, here is my K-line Shay, and as you can see, the first 2 cylinders are facing in the right direction, while the last cylinder is facing the left direction. This is for the Shay. As you can see with the Willamette, all 3 cylinders are faced in the right direction. And as you can see, it also has a different type of valve gear compared to the Shay. Now, how did the Willamette Iron and Steel Company get designed to make this engine? Well, around when Lima was unfortunately losing the patents, when the patents were about to expire, the Willamette Iron and Steel Company took those blueprints and basically made these engines, but with fewer improvements, but the same drive shaft like a Shay, and the same type of design. And just like the Shay, the Willamette also has the offset boiler. In terms of these Willamettes, only 34 of these engines were ever built, and this is the oldest one that remains. In the future, the museum here is hopefully going to restore the engine to running condition. They actually have a fundraiser going on right now to get new flues, new paint, fixing up the valve gear. Now, the reason why they're possibly restoring it to running condition because this engine is in pretty good shape. Right next to the engine is some old logging equipment. This is the sawmill that they run from time to time. And over there is some older logging equipment.